This is the episode 5 of turning $3 to $10 trading Forex, and currently in our episode 4 we ended the balance of $657.65, and today we are making huge profits in the very trade. I gave out the signals to my VIPs in the trade I took, and we entered this trade and they made huge profits in the very trade. So let me show you the reason why I took the very trade and the reason why I'm making profit in the very trade, because let me show you what this trade is doing and giving us huge profit. So currently we took this very trade at this level, here. So before I took this very trade, I understood what the trade is always doing. I understood something, because the trade always fulfill its gap, and this is something that you need to understand. So currently from this very level, I understood that from this very point to this very point here, from this very point to here, this level there was MC was taken. So the trade did and started testing, and as it was testing before it broke out, you get. So from that very level, with this same thing, that this very thing here, I used it to also map it here. That was the same thing, and I also used it again to map it from that very point. Here, I map it from that very point, and if you see where the trade is showing me that it will reach. So just watch what happened. So from that the third point I map it, the trade is telling me that it will reach this very point before it can start retesting. So this trade is going to take this very inside out. Are you seeing how I did this ASAP? Only the mighty ones, my academy and my VIPs can do this. So currently I expect the trade to also fill this very gap, this same measurement here. The trade must also have to complete it to give a huge profit. The trade must also have to complete this same measurement at this very level. So currently we took this very trade on this NZD card, on this SZD card, and we are making profits. in this NZD card, and we are currently on a balance of $1,416 in profit. And currently show you when I took the trade, when I did the signals, and when I took the trade, and when we started making profits in the VIP. Okay, so this is the trade I took. This is it. This is when I told them alert buy NZD card at this level 0.300 0.8300 to 0.8200, stop loss and take profit, mighty high to go. So currently this when the trade was still going. This when we are MCing a balance of this, when we are still in small profit on, when we are still in profit of that's $100 in profit. And currently from that very point, and currently we filled the accounts, and currently see when I told them that the trade we took yesterday went in profit. Auto does that had patience made huge profits. Currently this is the trade, and we are making profits in this very trade they took. They're all making huge profit. So this is the trade is still running. I'm expecting the trade to buy more further. Only this trade alone will pass this very challenge. Only this trade alone will pass the very challenge. So currently I'll just be ending this trade and be entering my next trade. Because we always have trades, we always have many setups to enter and make huge profit ASAP. One trade cannot just be wasting my time. I always know what to do. So currently I'm closing the very trade and be entering my next trade to flip it to something very massive. Close all positions currently when a balance of $2,044.86 in the trade you took. See the trade you took here from the very point. The trade flipped up from there. We bought the trade bought to this very point again. It went up here, but it tested. It's going to still continue moving to the upside, but we close it to take our next trade to flip it to something very massive. Okay, I told my VIPs that they should sell UHF. So I told them that they should sell UHF at 0.9140 to this very point. Might here to go. This very trade at this very point. See where the trade was. And I told them to sell this very trade at this very point. So them, they always take the trades at the right time. So when I tell them to sell this trade at this very point from here, this is where they said they sold the trade from that very point. When I saw the trade, I know that the trade have reached a key zone to start selling down, and it is a more I told them to sell the trade, that they should sell the trade from that very point, and I told them to sell the trade. So currently I'll be entering my sell on the very trades. For them to sell it to the downside, because the trade have not reached a point to start retesting. To go into this continue selling to take out this very point. This trade will still be selling to the downside to take out this very point. Let me show you something. Let me show you what this trade is doing. So currently you see what the trade was doing here. Okay, if you want the very trade from here, this trade, let me show you something this trade did here. This trade was in a very bullish momentum. It would have been buying for long. trade I've been buying for so long that I've bought here, it retested there, bought here, retested there. It now took out this very point, took this high. So currently to be selling to take out this very low, selling to take out these very points. This is where it will be coming to take out, coming out take these very points, and to start selling to the downside. So currently I've entered my sell on this very trade. I've entered my sell to take the account to something massive. Enter my sell on this very trade. Enter my sell. So time positions, and once this trade I'll take now is what will flip this account to something massive, and we have passed this very challenge. The challenge from $10 to $10. Passed this very challenge. We entered 5 trades with 0.50 lot size on this very account, and we're about to flip this account to something very massive. The trade is going to sell down from there to this very point, and currently our challenge is passed. This is what the trade, and see what we are going to do in this very trade today. How we flip account to something very massive. So guys, we already making profit ASAP. Come and see what the trade did here. Enter this trade from here. See what the trade. You enter the trade from here. Currently the trade is selling down massively. I'm already making profit ASAP. We're making profit. I told you, both the VIPs, Academy, everybody are making profit ASAP. I'm going to account to $10 in this very challenge. We're about to flip account to go to something. I told you my target is currently at this level. My target is from that very point. From this very point, from there to this level, that's my target, and I'm making profit ASAP. Let's flip account to something very massive and see how flip account from $3 to $10 and come to $2,134.06 in equity now in balance, and we'll flip account to something massive ASAP. Once we tell buy is a buy, when we say it's a sell ASAP, the market do expect the mighty decision. Let's flip account and see what the mighty ones can flip to. So guys, the trade we took went in profit ASAP, and we made huge profit to this account from $2,044.86 we ended in $2,508.31 in profit, and currently the price is selling down from our zone. From this bone, you map out these very points. See what happened there. So from this zone, see what happened here. From this zone, this very zone here. So guys, the trade we took went in huge profit. The trade we took went in huge profit. So currently I'll be closing these positions. I'll be closing my trades in this account. I'll be closing these trades, and from this very point the trade sold down massively. The trade sold down massively from that zone. It sold down to this very point. It sold down here, and currently I'll be closing my positions to enter my next trade. I'll be closing my positions ASAP. Closing up positions currently. Close up positions currently. We're in a balance of $2,519.30 in this very trade today. We're in a balance of 200. See what the trade did here. Just watch what the trade did ASAP. The trade sold down from this very point, and the trade sold down from this very point. From this very point to enter the trade from this very zone, trade sold down massively to that very point. And currently these are balanced. So let's be taking our last trade to flip it to something very massive and pass this very challenge. So guys, I took my next trade on XAUSD. We're in a little bit of profit and indulge down a little bit, but we're watching the trade because this trade, I've seen a trade and I've seen that it must buy to take out the upside before you can start retesting. This trade must buy, and we entered this very trade. We entered trade because I'm very sure of this trade, and I'm planning the trade to buy and give me huge profit ASAP. I want the trade to buy upwards. You see the trade? This trade, I've seen a very point. It must reach that up zone there. This trade must buy to the very up zone, because that up zone there, that is a very big zone a trade must touch before you can start retesting. And that down zone there, that's the place the trade is coming from. So currently the trade must reach that up zone there before you can start retesting anything it wants to do. So currently be watching the trade to move to that up zone there. That's my target, to flip there and give me huge profit ASAP. Currently we have passed the very challenge. We are closing the challenge ASAP. We have passed this very challenge for field. We have passed this very challenge. Trust me, this account was from $3 to $3,000 ASAP. Go to episode 1 when we started trading for account from $3, and currently we are in a balance of $3,125.20 ASAP. So what the trade did then, the trade went there, bought and gave us our huge profits ASAP.